Hey guys, welcome to Detector's tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about color swatches on product page. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Shopify is like an online shop builder that makes it easy for people to create and run their own online stores. So it provides all the tools that you need to showcase and sell your products on the internet. So think of it as a virtual storefront that you can customize to your liking, where you can display your products, process payments, and manage your businesses from one place. Now, color swatches in the context of e-commerce are important because they can enhance the shopping experience. So instead of just showing a list of product options, swatches visually represent the different choices that are available. So for example, if you're selling this bag in here, you can see the different color in here or the color swatches that you could choose from. So they make it easier for customers to understand and select the variations of a product, which can improve the overall shopping experience. And also, these can help customers quickly and easily pick what they want. So onto this tutorial, let's head back here onto Shopify. And to get started, we're gonna go ahead and create our account. So for us to be able to create an account, we'll just head here onto the upper part and click on to start free trial. Now to start setting up your store, you'll just have to answer the different questions that we're gonna ask you. So they will ask you which of the best describe you, so we'll just have to choose that. Click onto next. Are you currently selling on another platform? So if you're not using, just click onto that, or you could choose onto the different options. Where would you like to sell? So click onto next right after, and what do you plan to sell first? So actually, this will help you customize your Shopify store. And then right after, it will also ask you where will your business be located. So you'll just have to choose a country and region. And then right after that, it will create a Shopify account. And the last step is you'll have to choose the option to create the account. So you have four options in here. We could do with the email, your Apple account, Facebook account, or Google account. And by proceeding, you should agree to the terms and condition and privacy policy. And if you have an account already, just simply click on to log in. So the same process, you'll just have to type in your email in here, continue with it, or you could continue with your Apple, Facebook, or Google account. So usually I try to connect my accounts to my Google so that I don't have to remember the email. I'll just have to click onto the account that I want to use. Then right after, we'll just have to wait so that we'll get redirected onto the dashboard. Now for us to be able to get started, since our account is new, we're gonna go ahead and add our first product in here so that we'll have a reference. So as you can see, there is actually a sample product in here that we could use. So you could just click on to add sample product in here so that we could use this mug in here onto adding our color swatch. So as you can see, the sample coconut bar soap has already been added. So it has a description already in here and some different things. Now for the first step that we're gonna do in here is we'll try to create a meta field. So for us to be able to do that, what we'll need to do is you'll just head here onto the My Store section and here. So you'll just have to click here onto the settings, and then right after, you should get redirected onto this page. So actually, you should be able to see different things in here, such as the store details, plan, billing, user permissions, and many more. So you'll just have to scroll down in here, and then you'll just need to find this certain thing or custom data. So you'll have to click onto that, and you should be able to see meta fields in here. So if you're not familiar with meta fields, these will help you customize the functionality and appearance of your Shopify store by letting you save specialized information that isn't usually captured in the Shopify admin. So these can include part numbers, color swatches, launch dates, related products, blog post summaries, files for downloads, lists of ingredients, and you can add this to your products, collections, customers, orders, and other parts of your store. So this will do directly from your Shopify admin. Now going back in here, for us to be able to do so, we'll just have to choose in here products. So we'll click onto that, and then right after, we'll just have to click onto add definition. So we'll just have to type in a name in here, and then right after, add a namespace and a description for that one. So now once it is done, we're just gonna go ahead and try to click onto save in here. So right after that, we're gonna head back here onto our products, and then we'll choose something in here that we could add in the variant for colors. So since this is the only product that we have, we could try to use this one out. Let's just check first if we could choose some variants for this or any colors. So let's try to scroll down in here. Now, as you can see, there are no variants in here. We could add options in here like the color. So we have here Well, let's add in some options. Let's add in gray and click onto done. Another value, we'll have black and then we'll have blue. So we're gonna go ahead and click onto done for that so that we could go ahead and try to add in the different variants. So for us to be able to proceed, we're gonna go ahead and click onto edit for the gray one. Now right after adding the options in here, we're just gonna go ahead and click onto save. So you have the option also to add in some photos if you have a photo onto the different products that you have. So we'll just have to click onto save first and we'll wait for that one. Now, once you're actually successful in adding the variant, what you'll need to do right after is you'll just need to head onto the app section in here. So here onto the left side, you should be able to see apps. You'll just have to click onto add apps in here so that you could go ahead and try to add in the thing that we're going to use for our swatches. So we could try to click on Shopify App Store in here so that you'll get redirected onto the store. And onto the search bar, you'll just need to search this one. So this is what we're going to use, the glow color swatch variant image. So this is actually free and you could customize your desired button, image swatch, and color swatch exclusively on product list page and product page. So you could assign product images to product option by simply sorting product images in product image gallery. So when your customers select an option, they will see a list of related images, show variants on collection page, and the app is compatible with all of the search features. So since I've gone and used this, I've gone ahead and already installed this one. If you did not install it yet, just click on to install and then right after we'll just have to open this. And then right after, you should get redirected here back onto Shopify. You'll just have to click onto install app again in here so that they could access the store information and they could also edit your store information. Now, as you can see, we're currently using the free plan. So there is actually a silver as well and gold. And here are some of its features that it offers. So you could also start this for free trials for 7 days and you could choose from monthly to yearly. So we're going to start first here onto the pricing. So once we've chosen the current plan in here or the free plan, so we're going to click onto continuous free in here. You'll get redirected onto another process, which is the insert data. So here onto the insert data, the application will help users customize colors, variant image sizes, and many more. So we're going to click onto let's start. Now, right after the inserting of data, we're down to the option settings, wherein you'll just have to sync your online store. So we're going to go ahead and try to choose the option. So you could also choose the display type. We have button, drop down list, or we could just go ahead and click onto image swatch. And then right after, let's head on to the next step. The next step is all about template collection settings. So here, you could choose the swatch type. We have circle, square, fit, the swatch size, spacing, border style, the border color, hover effects, zoom effects. So you could choose which one do you like, and you'll actually see also a preview here onto the right side for that. So as you can see, we could choose the different colors already, and we have 3 swatches for a color of our shoe in here. So you could actually try to select the color of this one so that it would also update. We could also try the other one, which is square. Well, let's try to see what it would look like in here. So this is what it would look like, and then we could just edit back to circle. So you could try to also see the template product settings in here. So you could have this on square, fit text. So you could choose which one do you like so that you could use this application onto its full potential. Now let's head on to the next step. Right after you've edited that, the other step is actually the general settings. So this is where you could go ahead and add a reorder option, some sold out variant display types, the image width, height, and many more. So you could also see the product page in here. So you could show this on product page, require customers to select an option, and then for you to be able to edit the collection page, you need to upgrade to a higher plan to use this feature. Now, once everything is all set for that, you'll just head on to the next step, which is already the publishing of the theme. So you'll just have to choose onto the theme that you're applying the color swatch. And then right after, you could also add this color swatch app embedded to the block to your theme to show swatch. So you'll have an instruction also in here how to enable the app embed, and once everything is already set, you'll just have to click onto done. And that's just basically it on adding a swatch onto your product page. And if you think this tutorial was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on to our next video.